Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So we have some news. So we bought a house.
It's not a dream, but yeah, this is our house. After
We got the keys.
9 months
Yeah.
of
There's basically a lot of hoo-ha
planning and dreaming, but yeah.
But anyway, we'll come and
Finally,
show you around.
Yeah.
Excuse the shirt, just come from work. So I'll let Claudia do the tour.
Oh, me. Okay.
Yeah, there's the front door. There's a hall.
Yeah, let's start with the kitchen,
Start with the kitchen.
which is, I think, the nicest environment of the house. We have a nice big white kitchen. We have this huge fridge, American fridge that we love. Yeah, 2 ovens, because who doesn't need 2 ovens? We have a lot of storage, cupboards. This is gonna be the breakfast corner. We're gonna put the table in here. We're gonna put remember the white table?
Oh, yeah.
Extendable table we bought on Amazon? Yeah, we're gonna
Check out the review of the table. I'll put a link in the description. I probably won't because I'll probably forget, but we reviewed the table.
And this is another nice place.
Oh, all the exposure is gone. Yeah.
This is another nice spot of the house, which is a conservatory. And yeah, we are gonna put a sofa in here. We're gonna put our dresser, kitchen dresser. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. What should we do? Should we go outside first or should we go? Yeah, we'll go outside as we're here. So this is the patio.
Patio. Nice garden. Space for our table and our sofa.
Yeah, there's the garage where I'll be hiding most of the time.
I miss the grass.
Oh yeah, so our last house, yeah, we didn't have grass. We just had concrete. It's very horrible. So yeah, we've got grass, a nice big...
Yeah, well, wait, I think we are already thinking about
Where to put everything.
how to make this
Yeah.
safest for the cat.
Oh yeah, because our cats, as you may have seen, we have 2 ragdolls, like to jump over fences. So I'm going to try and work out how to put like some brackets here, so there's a net, but we'll figure that out.
Let's start with the living room.
Okay.
2 windows, which is
So
nice.
it's called
I like this.
a dual aspect. We've got a nice fireplace here. Got a good for things.
The TV is gonna go above the
Yeah.
fireplace.
There's one of the cars. There's Claudia's car.
There's a cat over there.
And there's a cat. Oh yes. Cars and cats. Now, coming to the hall, and we've got what's going to be the study.
Yeah.
It was a lot smaller for some reason, but we're going to put one desk here, and then one desk here. This is some stickers because this was the playroom. Feels a bit bad pulling them off, but I'm going to do a video about a desk tour because I know some people like desk tours, and I'm going to build a desk. I did think about getting some desks from IKEA or somewhere like that, but basically what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to buy 2 doors because they're quite big and they're quite substantial, and I'm going to put one there and one there. So
It's very cozy, this room.
yeah,
Even if it's small, and then you have the view of the garden.
yeah.
I can see something here.
That's true. So
Yeah, let's go on storage. The guest room.
So this is where Claudia's parents will be staying, or anyone else?
Inbuilt wardrobe. Quite big as a room.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
And this
A normal bed fits perfectly. There's no... The fact that there is an inbuilt wardrobe helps a lot. Yeah. And the cool thing about this room is that basically there is an ensuite. It's an ensuite.
Yeah, but it's what's called.
Now you will understand what's caused this.
It's Jack and Jill door because you've got one there and
Yeah,
one
and
there.
another door here. So it means that if you have guests, obviously they can use this door and use this bathroom as a normal ensuite. If you are guests in the living room, for example, they can enter from this.
Yeah. So that's quite cool.
Yeah, I like this.
So this is bathroom number 2.
Yeah.
Okay, right. We go to the 3rd floor.
It's gonna be our bedroom.
So this is where the magic may happen.
We're gonna remove this because we don't like it. Although it's not bad, but we don't like it. We have another style in mind. And the owners, the previous owners, was with us.
Yeah. Oh, I blend into the wall.
They were so nice that they left 2 wardrobes that we are moving. We are putting in another room that we are gonna dedicate it to a dressing room.
Yeah.
And yeah, the only strange thing that I don't really like is that I don't know if it's me, but
Yeah, no, these are like the IKEA Pax wardrobes. Now, from having
It's
the wardrobes,
impossible that
you're
you
meant to have some kind of handle that goes here, because yeah, I'll have to figure out
Yeah.
how to do that. Another
I can't do this all the time.
another trip to IKEA.
Our bathroom, which is gonna be my bathroom.
Oh, this is Chloe's bathroom. Yeah.
Jacuzzi.
No, not jacuzzi. That's a Japanese mafia. Jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi
Yeah.
for my spa session. This is gonna be the baby's room.
Oh.
And still the previous owners were very nice to leave this wardrobe.
Hey, we got another wardrobe. Minus the doors. They took the doors for some
For some
reason.
reason they took the doors apart, but that's not a problem. And
Yeah. Oh, Chloe's happy. Standing there in the little light. You look like an angel or something.
This is so nice.
And then we've got
Then another bedroom that is gonna be our dressing room,
Yeah.
because we decided that since they left these wardrobes as well, it made sense obviously leaving the wardrobes here, and we will move instead.
yeah.
the
Those
mirror
wardrobes are gonna go
here.
here and then there.
And in the middle,
my dresser,
vanity table.
Yes, there. Where did you get that from?
You for Christmas.
Oh yes, our first Christmas. And then just to finish it off, another bathroom, just in case you run out of bathrooms. If you need to, really.
Finally, I won't have to do the stairs.
Yeah, because there's a lot of stairs.
And yeah, each floor has a bathroom, so it's cool.
Yeah. Okay, so that was just a quick video, just our new house. We're going to probably be doing some documentation, like I said, about the office. Oh, sorry. And we'll show you some of the moving day. We're planning on moving all the furniture in next week, so we'll be in a week's time, and
Yeah,
this will be
that's
our new home. Yeah, apparently it's going to be like 37 degrees on that day, so
Great.
that'll be fun. A fun day to move, because it's already quite hot in here anyway. So yeah.
Before moving, obviously, we're gonna do some works.
Yes. So like we're gonna. Obviously we've been working. So in the evenings, which is now, we're gonna come and paint. So we're gonna try and start painting either this wall, or we're gonna go downstairs and paint. Yeah. Anyway. Thanks very much. We're going to wrap this video up now. So drop a like if you like this video. Feel free to comment, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you want regular updates. So for me, Chris.
Claudia.
Goodbye.
Bye.